Manufacturing is essential to the United States economy, with an estimated $2.38 trillion contribution and accounting for nearly half of all exports. This equals about 11.4% of economic output. With approximately 250,000 firms in the manufacturing sector in the USA, Interface is proud to be counted as one of them. Companies with manufacturing operations solely in the United States are considered an anomaly today. With a great deal of production occurring outside the country, there are fewer enterprises that sustain domestic manufacturing success. Though our production is domestic, our reach is global. Interface load cells and torque transducers have been used in nearly all industries, providing reliable test and accurate measurement capabilities to international market leaders in aerospace, automotive, energy, medical, education, and other top manufacturers. We're proud to say our products are made in the USA. We began designing and manufacturing load cells and other force measurement equipment in 1968 when Richard F. Karras started Interface in his garage. Since those early days, we have grown to become one of the most trusted names in the industry. And not once in our history have we considered moving production out of the United States. We maintain the highest degree of performance by managing the entire process, from design and machining, to strain gauge manufacturing and assembly at our headquarters in Scottsdale, Arizona. Interface is focused on our contributions economically, by supporting innovation and job growth through a robust manufacturing role in the production of the world's leading force measurement solutions.